What's going on, everybody? Sean from Premier Outdoor Living here, and today we're going to talk about joist tape, how to apply it and when you need to. A couple spots that are going to be really critical that you're going to want to tape are anywhere that you have multiple plies laminated together, like our beam here. We have 3 2x12s. We want to make sure that we tape that, seal it off so that we don't have water penetrating in between those laminations. Another spot that you're definitely going to want to put some joist tape is on your stringers. When you cut out your stringers from a 2x12, you're exposing a lot of grain. This is coming from the middle of the board, so you want to seal that off. It doesn't have as much treatment as the outside edges of the board. So what we like to do is install our stringers, and then we'll do the 1 5/8" tape on top of that. Make sure we seal off those end cuts. The last place that we'll definitely want to apply joist tape is over all of our flat blocking. We have accessory framing here to accept some of our borders. So sometimes it's on the outside for a picture frame. Sometimes it's on the corner of the steps. Anywhere that there's flat blocking, you're going to want to tape that. And the last place is on all of your singular joists. So you can use an 1 5/8" tape over each of your joists. It's going to add an extra layer of protection. And if you're resurfacing an old deck, it's definitely something you want to do because that's already degraded a little bit. You want to seal all of those previous penetrations and the new ones. And now I'll show you how to install it. So here we've got our double joist beam tape. It's a little bit wider and it's super easy. So I'm just going to do a small section here. Cut off your piece. It has this paper backing. Just peel that right off. Make sure you get some nice adhesion by applying pressure to it. And we're going to tape this whole thing after we get it planed down. But that's as simple as it is right there. And the one thing that's really nice about this ProWood tape is it's got a little bit of texture on it. So when you tape it and then you're walking on it, it might be a little bit wet. You're not going to slip. So just a little thing, but I really like that touch. So those are the critical parts of where you definitely need to use joist tape and some optional areas. So the more the better. It's extra insurance, and that's pretty much it. Simple as that.